Our current intelligence is not meant to be used to look at our past decisions and judge them. Our current intelligence is to create a future so beautiful that we don't make those same mistakes again. And when the realization happens, what you do is far more important than undoing something. In life, we can't go backwards, we can't undo, but can we Pooja, how to handle the guilt or regret of a wrong decision taken in the past? Nice. One of the things you have to understand is that all of us are doing the best that we can with the limited knowledge, resources, experience, intelligence, all that we have. At that point, you did not know better. If you had known better, you wouldn't have done that, right? So, the only person who doesn't make a mistake is God. Unless you believe you are God, then only you should not forgive yourself. Otherwise, it's very important to forgive yourself, because how are you going to hold this against yourself for the rest of your life? All of us at some point, I've heard of stories of where a father has run over his own child by mistake. Mistakes happen. I know of stories where, someone has done something to their own sibling. But you know what? Eventually, we all realize, and when the realization happens, what you do is far more important than undoing something. In life, we can't go backwards, we can't undo, but can we compensate? Can we apologize? Can we give closure to the person? Absolutely. Is it important that they forgive us? That depends on their maturity level. Somebody will be ready to forgive you, very mature of them. Somebody will not be ready to forgive you. Their forgiveness is not important. Your forgiveness of you is what is important. Why? Because you know what? You have to start to tell yourself that in life, there are going to be days or things that I'm going to land up doing that eventually I may regret or may feel guilty about. But I'm human. I'm doing the best that I can. And when you remember that, every single day I'm handling lives. Sometimes somebody, can land up taking a very serious decision of their life because of what I've said, right? Now, I don't normally give advice to anyone on what they should or should not do, but somebody can, understand it that way, that this is what Pooja said. Pooja may be answering someone else's question, yours may be out of context, but you know what? Tomorrow it's possible that someone may make a decision that may not be the right thing for them, having listened to me. Do I have to live with those things? Absolutely. All of us are doing the best that we can. When you know in your heart you didn't mean wrong, or even if you did mean wrong, you have improved your heart quality now. Maybe you had to go through that to become the person you are today. So in every way, focus on the lesson, Bani. What did you learn? Ask yourself, will I ever repeat it? My judgment of you is never. So when you have improved, when you have fixed it, when you have realized your mistake, when you have apologized, when you have accepted, more than this, what can someone do? You're not God. So I only say, only God doesn't make mistakes. Me, adopt the attitude of forgiving others now that you realize that how important self-forgiveness is, and start the attitude of self-forgiveness. Everyone is doing the best that they can in the limited understanding that they have, which is why I rarely get angry with people on how they are behaving. Why? Because I know that from their intelligence, intellect, mind, they are doing the best that they can. As they grow, they will make better decisions. So do the same for yourself. Work on your self-forgiveness. Every single day say, I did the best I knew at that point. Today I know better. I will do better. Our current intelligence is not meant to be used to look at our past decisions and judge them. Our current intelligence is to create a future so beautiful that we don't make those same mistakes again. So take care of yourself. Forgive yourself. Every human being, nobody can go through 50, 60, 70 years of life without making mistakes, intentionally or unintentionally. Either which ways, if you've had the realization, to me that is so beautiful. Honor that, the fact that God gave you the maturity to in this lifetime repair yourself. Just repair yourself. Whether the other person opposite you forgives you or not doesn't matter. That's their journey, their karma, their intelligence, their personality, and their attitude. Okay? But you forgive yourself and be totally comfortable with that, knowing that when you forgive yourself doesn't mean you'll do it again. When you forgive yourself, it means you'll never do it again. But you also know you're human. So I hope that helps you. Don't carry so much weight on your shoulders. Life will become hard for no reason. Life is anyway hard. And then you'll make it so much more harder by carrying this on your shoulder full time. It's like me putting 100 kilos on your back and saying, now climb the mountain.